my name is Anya and today I really want to make some banana bread cookies. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 2 1/4 cup of flour, add in 2 teaspoons baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, cream together 150 grams of softened butter and 1 1/4 cup sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 cup of mashed ripe bananas. Mix until well combined. Place in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Drop 1 teaspoon sized balls onto a baking tray. And bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes.